Alright everyone, welcome back to Toko's Reviews, and this is the second edition of flying the F-22 Raptor. As you guys know, this is the United States of America 5th gen stealth fighter, and I think and I believe this is the #1 stealth fighter in the world because nothing has detected yet, and there's no information on that, but you know, it's just amazing. This is one of those planes that, I don't know, man, it's gonna go beyond. That's why America hasn't sold any of this technology to any other country beside the F-35. That technology is probably not even compared to what the F-22 Raptor technology is. So having said that, maybe in that sense, yeah, so that's probably what's going on right now. So right now I'm gonna go against 8 MiGs from Russia, and we're testing out the stealth capability of the F-22 Raptor. Yep. So this is gonna be amazing, and my tactic here is to go high and to see if their radar will detect me. And I've said this on my first video. The only way they can see me in their radar if they see me visually, and then they can point their radar at me in order to actually detect me. But this is what's going to happen, and we're going to just go through it and check out, you know, how this thing is going. So this is going to be insane. Definitely check this out. So that's the first missile that just went out. Let's see, check that missile out. So that's gonna definitely go to that plane right there. And this is locked on. This is an AMRAAM. This is a Fox 3 long distance missile. Amazing missile. When it's locked, it's locked. That went pretty harsh. That's another one. Here, I think I'm climbing up pretty high. Yep, I am. That's another missile going out. That's definitely gonna hit that guy. Oh man, there's that MiG is diving. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Look at that. That missile go. Boom. That's another one. Oh, that guy, oh, he launched the missile. Whoa, dude. That was insane. He see me visually. Oh, I'm gonna hit that guy pretty quick. That's one of their long distance missiles that had no effect on me. It's so sad. He tried to dive his nose. That's the proper way of trying to. That's another missile out. Oh my God, these MiGs are just getting hit. Oh my gosh, he's trying to dive. caution. And there we go, he's out. So only one MiG seen me visually, then he point his missile at me, and that was a crazy missile, man. I mean, if we replay that, check it out. Like, I mean, look at this F-22 Raptor, man. This thing is a beast. Look at this thing, man. Even up close, guys. I mean, look at this thing, man. I'm doing the falling leaf. That's one maneuver that's pretty cool on this. So I'm gonna do a replay of that missile that was launched at me, and how it missed me. So wow, the falling leaf, that's amazing. All that smoke from the body of the F-22, that's just actually mist, or moist. Popping flares. I'm gonna go ahead and replay that missile that was locked on me but missed. Check it out. This is how I juked it. So here's the missile launch that was basically launched at me, which was kind of interesting because this is the only MiG that's seen me. So he locked his radar on me. So check it out. So this is when he launched the missile. You can see it coming right there, and then this is how he missed. You can see that. Like, I shot the flares out and he just totally missed everything. I guess just showing that scene, that's what happens when you mess with the real 5th gen stealth fighter. The United States F-22 Raptor is the #1 stealth fighter in the world, and like I said before, that's one of the reasons why it hasn't been sold to any other country besides the technology that was sold to other countries in the F-35. And I think personally that technology, the F-22 is way beyond that, so that's why they haven't sold this to any other country. So yeah, anyways, if you guys like content like this, man, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And like always, guys, I'll find this from Double Reviews. Peace.